Laughing Bird National Park, nothing is to be taken from the islands.
Farming, right? Most people will go on the hill and farm. So if you're going up to the hill and you're farming, if you have a farm, what do you do on the farm to help your plants grow? What else? Fertilizer. So now if you put fertilizer on your plant, on the ridge, when it rains, what happens to it? No, before it reaches the coral, what helps filter it? Mangroves. Mangroves. All right, so what comes from the ridge will go in through to the mangrove, filter through the mangroves, and then from there it will hit the reef. All right, so you see, whatever comes from up the mountains flows down and goes to the reef. So you have to be conscious of what you do on land will probably end up someday on the reef.
Share a lost culture. The land before had it all.
Remember growing up, your grandmother used to tell you, go plant your tomatoes, go plant your sweet peppers in your backyard. You can have all your stuff and you don't have to be spending all that money. Plant your garden.
What's that? Did you see this? I never saw that flooded.
Ha! Did you see this cat? It dances like Michael Jackson.
Forget the cat. This is serious. Coastlines are disappearing because people are cutting down mangroves.
Never fear, Captain Coastline is here.
Wow! You almost gave me a heart attack, bro.
I heard someone doubting the power of mangroves. It's time for a field trip.
These trees are nature's superheroes. Mangroves protect the coast. Their roots stop flood from washing away, and they also help strong winds from slowing down the coast.
And they're also home to some of fish too, right?
For fish?
Ah.
No, that's a person. Filters. What else does it do? Protect. And also a nursery for little fisheries. So it's a nursery, it protects and
They stop the floods and rain, protect your home again if you want to help plant a tree. Stop the waves, stop the waves, stop the waves. Save the fishes, save the fishes, save the fishes. Let's not more do, let's not more do, let's not more do, let's not more do. These vibrant ecosystem are the heart and soul of our ocean, and nowhere is this more evident than in the sunny waters of bright blue. For the health of our planet and our communities. Imagine swimming through a bustling underwater city teeming with life. Colorful fish dart in and out of coral formations, while sea turtles glide gracefully by. This is what counts as coral hotspots. Coral reefs help support an astonishing variety of all manner of life. In fact, they are home to less than 1% of the ocean floor, from tiny iridescent fish to majestic sharks.
Act as natural barriers against storms and erosion. They break the power of waves before they reach the shore, protecting our coastline and the communities that live there.
The reef plays a crucial role in our economy too. Our local fisheries depend on the reef's rich biodiversity. And let's not forget about the tourism industry.
to find the cool salt there.
Some not having the same